mommies. Ayan, so galing kami ng Bulacan. Dalawang mommy sa Bulacan. Yes, and then one from Manila. Ayan. I'd like to share yung last client no, na kung ano yung naging struggle niya with her baby. So 4 days pa lang naman sila. 4 days pa lang silang So, ang struggle ni mommy earlier is hindi sa hospital na parang napilit, no? Napilit nag-latch yung baby. Shh! I'm talking to the mommies na. Sige na, sit down ka muna.
Ate, sit down.
Ang naging problema is after some days ayaw na mag-latch yung baby, parang pahirapan na sila ni mami. So ang turo sa ipilit lang no na mag-latch yung baby, pero sometimes it works but most of the time hindi siya nag-work. So ang nangyayari is parang nagiging bad experience siya for the baby. So instead of maging comfort niya yung breast ni mommy, instead of maglalatch siya naturally, nangyayari is parang minsan ididikit pa lang ni mommy or ipupwesto pa lang para maglatch. It's becoming uncomfortable for the baby. So pag ganon, pag ayaw maglatch, wag ipilit and do it as natural as possible. So do skin to skin and wait for the baby to latch. But kasi hindi pwede yung pinipilit. Kasi breastfeeding is natural. So hindi natin siya kailangan enforce. We do it gently. Okay? So yun lang mga mommies, because there's someone here who's very very makulit. And see you in our next gala, in our next visit. Bye bye. Hi everyone! Ayan. Hi mommies! Pauwi na kami. Galing kami ng Batangas at saka ng Laguna. So we had 4 mommies for today. And mostly ang cases ay latching. No? 1 reluctation, 1 latching. Di pala, 3 pala. And ayun. So, few tips for today's video. If ang goal talaga is mag-breastfeed, wag bumili ng bottle. Wag i-bottle. So, anong gagawin? I-cup feed. No? Ika-cup feeding. Kagaya ng last na mommy na aking na-encounter or na-visit. Ito lang, katatapos lang. 2 weeks na yung baby niya. Nag-struggle siya magpa-latch kasi inverted nipple, and then medyo na-inform siya sa hospital na nahihirapan mag-latch yung kanyang baby dahil daw malaki ang nipple niya, no? So most likely hindi yun issue. Any breastfeature is not an issue, kahit inverted pa yan, or yan, nawawala na ako ang dilim yan. Kahit inverted pa yan, flat pa yan, so it's never going to be an issue. It's a challenge, pero hindi siya pwedeng maging hindrance to continue breastfeeding. So ayun, kinaka-feed niya yung baby niya, and then eventually no, nag-latch yung baby, and mas naayos namin yung latching ng baby niya kanina. Okay, so if your goal is to really breastfeed, do not attempt to bottle feed your baby. Okay, and do not buy bottle feed. Do not buy bottle. Okay, so yun lang. See you again. Bye bye. Comment down below if you have questions. Bye bye.